Hello, beautiful souls. It's Susan Glavin. And I just wanted to share with you kind of what my personal experience has been over the last week with the events that have happened that have been so sad. And I think it's important to feel that sadness, to really acknowledge that sadness. But I want to invite you not to do something. And that's to collapse your energy. Like collapse into the fear, collapse into the anger, to collapse into the doubt, to see if you can feel the sadness of it all and not go, we're screwed here, or the world's going to hell, or this is exactly what needed to happen. Those narratives that are playing out. I want you to invite you to stand in a place of an open heart, a heart of compassion, a heart of understanding. That is exactly what I am trying to practice in my life today, is having a new perception, especially if I don't agree with the opinions or the beliefs of others. I am doing my very best to bring some kind of compassion or understanding to other people and why they may believe what they believe. Maybe they've experienced things that I haven't experienced, and be open to listening to what their ideas are. So there's going to be so many changes happening on the planet. And it is so important for us to find that inner peace, that inner balance within ourselves. And that is not always easy to do now, is it? No, it's not. But I invite you to take the time for you to do those things that bring you that inner balance. Whether it's a walk, whether it's some breath work, whether it's meditation, whether it's playing with children, maybe it's gardening. Whatever it is that brings you into that centered place, into that being more present in your life. Because if we can do that, if we can bring this compassion, this understanding, this love, this, being able to tolerate the duality. So if we can bring those two dualities, the light and the dark, the good, the bad, whatever you want to label it, if we can bring those together, unite them as one, what do you think might be possible? I don't even know, but I'm willing to find out. So I just invite you to not entangle yourself into the narratives that don't serve. And you know what I mean. I'm sure you know what I mean. But to instead stand in the possibility that maybe we are that powerful if we come together with our understanding and our compassion for others, even though they're opposite sides. It's okay, because we can still come together in the heart. We can still find something about each other that we can love and nurture and care about. So, again, I invite you to take super great care of yourself, because the more you can do that, the more you can influence the world around you in a beautiful way, because it's going to be very important that you do in the upcoming days. And together we can do anything. So anyway, I just love and care for you. So do your best, take good care of yourself, and take care of those people around you, even the ones that you don't agree with, especially the ones that you don't agree with or understand. See if you can look through some new eyes, have a new perception. It's really in the desire to have something. My desire is to see through new eyes, to see what I couldn't see before, and be open to that. Very, very powerful. Okay. Have a beautiful week.